Now in this question it is given ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and AD is equal to BC. Now you have to show that angle A equals to angle B, angle C is equal to angle D, and then triangle ABC. So later on we will come to the third one. Now let's start with the first one. Now what is given to us? This ABCD is a trapezium. We know that in a trapezium opposite sides are parallel. One pair of opposite side and other pair of opposite sides are non-parallel. Now in this figure they are equal. That means AD is equal to BC. It is an isosceles trapezium. Now the construction that we will be doing is construct a ray from C. Okay. Extend the side AB of the trapezium. Extend till they both intersect each other. So if they both intersect each other, so what the condition? That they are parallel to each other. Yes. So the construction is AD is parallel to CE. Now in this quadrilateral, AD is parallel to CE because of construction. AB is parallel to DC. So if I am taking AE, then automatically it will be parallel to DC. Therefore, it is a parallelogram because the reason is in a quadrilateral, both the pair of opposite sides are parallel. So it is a parallelogram. Now, what we have here? Opposite side of a parallelogram are equal. So they both will be equal, which both AD will be equal to CE. Yes, but then it is already given that AD is equal to BC. So CE will be equals to BC. Therefore, it is an isosceles triangle. So for that purpose, CEB, this angle will be equals to CBE, this angle, because of opposite angles of equal sides. Okay. Now, what we know is angle A, this angle, plus CBE, CBE is equal to 180 degree. What's the reason? Because I have written here directly, this angle plus this angle will be equals to 180 degree because the interior angles on the same side of the transversal is 180 degree. They both are parallel and this is acting as a transversal. So this angle plus this angle will be 180 degree. But then this angle is equal to this angle. Therefore, they both are giving, the sum of the both is giving as 180 degree. But ABC is plus CBE is 180 degree. Our intention is to make this angle equal to this angle. So this angle plus this angle is 180 degree. This angle plus this angle is 180 degree because of linear pair. Yes. Now you equate them because this is 180, this is also 180. So CBE will get cancelled. Angle A will be equals to angle B. So this way we can prove both the angles equal. Now let's come to the second part. In the second part they have asked us to prove angle C is equal to angle D. Now how will you prove it? Angle A plus angle D is 180 degree because they both are parallel. This is the transversal. So in some of the interior angles is 180 degree. Similarly, angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. Yes. Now again when you equate, we know that angle A is equal to angle B. Yes. So they will get cancelled. In place of angle B I have written angle A. So they will get cancelled. So angle D is equal to angle C. So second one is also proved. Now to make triangle ABC congruent to ABC, yes, so you have to draw the diagonal ABC and BAD. These both the triangles congruent. If you have to prove. Now see, you can take this triangle, yes, and this triangle. Now so what will you get? This angle in this triangle, they are talking about BAD, sorry, BAD they are talking about, and they are talking about ABC. So take these two triangles, okay, this triangle and this triangle. Now we have proved this angle is equal to this angle because we have proved it. AB is equal to AB because it is common. Therefore, and AD is equal to BC. It is given to us in the question itself. Therefore, by SAS, both the triangles are congruent. So we have proved it. Last one, diagonal AC is equal to diagonal BD. So when we had proved it congruent by SAS, then by CPCT they both will be equal, hence proved.